Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video on some of my favorite Amazon junk journaling supplies or tools. So let's get going. Number one is this Tim Holtz tiny attacher. This thing is amazing. I love it so much. You get just the cutest, tiniest little staples, and it's easy to change and put new staples in. All you do is flip this around like that and open it up, and then you can put more staples in there, and then you close it back up and bring that back around, and you're good to go. The next item is my SureBonder glue gun, and this is the Lynn Lilly glue gun. And make sure to check out for the different Amazon Prime deals that are going on right now. But what I love about this is the precision tip that it has, and it is cordless. So it'll sit on the base and charge up on the base, but then you have about 2 minutes of working time where you can glue without it having a cord on there. And so then you can just set it back down in the base. And you can also change and plug this in here, so then you have it corded as well. So you have options. Next up is Fabri-Tac glue. Now there's Fabri-Fix, there's Fabri-Tac. There might even be one other one I can't think of, but I prefer the Fabri-Tac over the Fabri-Fix. I just feel like it goes on better. It's not hard to get out of the bottle, and I love it for when I'm making my journal covers. I use this glue when I'm using fabric. Next up are my pinking shears, and these are Singer brand, and I have bought these specifically for paper crafting because I love getting that fun stamped look on a piece of paper, and that way I don't mess up my fabric pinking shears. Next up are my Fiskars spring-loaded trimmers, and this is an older brand. They still make them, so you just look on my Amazon storefront and you'll see the latest model. But these are great for fussy cutting. They're great because they don't take a lot of pressure with your hand to cut. And so if you have arthritis or something like that, it's really nice because it springs open, so you're not using your hands to open and close the scissors. And it's great for intricate fussy cutting because you can really get in there and get the details. Next up is this mat right here. It's the Tim Holtz Tonic. It's the mat with the white background. I had the other one with the black background, and it had a little white section right here. But I do a lot of inking and watercolor and painting, and so it's nice to have the white background because then you can see the colors that you're mixing. And it's 22 inches by 13 inches, so a little bit bigger than that, but it's a great mat. And I love all the grids on here. They're both in centimeters and in inches. Next up is my Q-Fun laminator. I use this probably at least once a month, if not more, but it works great. It also comes with some little tool accessories, a little paper trimmer, a corner rounder, a little hole punch right there, and some little binder rings. And it also comes with a replacement blade for your trimmer. So it's really, really nice. And sometimes they'll have bundles where you buy the laminator and you'll get a set of laminating sheets with the bundle. Next up is my Leanne PixCut S1 sticker printer. This thing is amazing. I love it. I have a whole video on how to use this thing, but it is so easy and fun to make stickers. Here's a few sticker packs that I have made, and they're so easy. They have thousands of images already on the app that you can pick and choose, and you can also upload photographs and print your own photograph stickers. But it's on a really good Amazon Prime deal right now. Next up are some of my shipping supplies that I love to get on Amazon, because the prices are really good when you break it down, price per envelope or price per clear bag. So these are the 9 by 11 padded envelopes. They weigh absolutely almost nothing, like barely an ounce, but they give you a little bit of protecting when you send out your items. And then I also buy them in the 6 by 9 size as well. And like I said, I buy them in bulk, but it's great to have them because you're eventually going to use them. And then I also like these clear plastic bags. These are, I think they're 9 by 12, if I remember correctly. Yeah, 9 by 12. And they're good quality. And again, they're a really great price. This is a pack of 100, and I think I got it for $8. And it might even be on sale right now. I also buy my shipping labels on Amazon, and I have those in my storefront as well. And those are great to buy in a big pack because you get a better value for your money. The last thing that I love to buy on Amazon are beads. These are just a couple examples here, but whatever theme you're looking for, you can usually find it on Amazon, and they're usually at a good price. Like these are fairies and flowers in here. They're so cute, and they're nice quality. And then they also have things like these spacer beads that are really pretty. You put them on the top of your bead to give it a nice little finish. So these are my top favorite things that I have purchased from Amazon, and I use them, if not daily, weekly, or monthly. So I highly recommend them. I also have so many more items on my storefront, so check those out as well. There's so many other fun things that you can find on Amazon, and you can start by looking on my storefront and then kind of go from there. I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.